I'm gonna give y'all just a little sneak peek of what he done did right now, but yeah, Smurf. You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, subscribe to the channel. JATV. Your boy, man, JamesAtkinsTv. Wait for the sun to get right. And thanks in advance for tapping in with your boy today's vlog, man. Today we got a special one. Alright, we were hit up to go and help a young man fulfill his sweet 16 dreams of seeing some Corvettes as his dream car. And it's gonna be a nice ride today, boys. Guess who I got with me? That young boy, Smurf. Yes, sir, Ski. Yes, sir. Ski, what's going on, brother? Always good seeing you, man.
Good seeing you, man.
That boy done put some nice things into this cat, boy. Y'all done seen it on the channel before, but you already know that boy done went crazy.
Let me turn them on for you. Turn them on.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Did y'all see that? Yes, Smurf. You went crazy with that one. Can y'all see the lights he got on that thing, man? Oh man, at nighttime, this is gonna be crazy. We will see this at nighttime. We running a little late, so I'm gonna give y'all just a little sneak peek of what he done did right now, but yeah, Smurf. The boy got nitrous in the back of that thing.
Talky, come out your entrance. See the switches inside.
Yeah, I see that, man. I see that. We gonna get a better perspective of everything he got going on. Y'all see he got lights and everything in this thing, man. All the way fully loaded on the lights. Yes, Sirski. And them is 4 Giottos, by the way.
Like that.
You know the vibes. You got that boy Doc on the cam. Tell them what they gotta do, Doc.
Hola, you gotta tap in.
Come on, man.
Let's
Come
go.
on, man. Got that boy Doc. Alright, so guys, listen, look. I haven't done the best job of keeping the vlog going, but we've already made it to the destination. Alright. So, this young man's 16th birthday down here. I think his name is Dylan. If I remember. No, Dylan was the little one, right? Y'all, Dylan was the little one. Herman, there we go. Herman is the birthday boy for the day. Alright. So I'm gonna show you guys who all was able to pull up. And there we go, we got some sunlight. Show you guys who's all able to pull up. Yeah. Show you guys some whips, of course. And we're gonna get into the day, alright? We in the community today. We serving the people for today.
Another one. He already got power. Oh yeah, I know it. First day of spring. I know it.
Apologize for that wind noise. Doc, you in the way, big boss. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, you down the street from it, yeah. I think that right there like that. Yeah. I heard a lot about you, brother. I'm gonna come down there and check you out. I'm right here in Maryland. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I am. Most definitely. Oh, no, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I know. Yeah, oh yeah.
There's a lot of spouses that were put on here before, so if they needed anything,
I know, right? Here we go. Yeah, man.
Smurf, you gotta show me that. You gotta show me that can again in the back, man.
I done knocked them out the bracket.
Oh man.
Bumps coming downtown.
Have you hit it yet though? Oh man, you out of Nas? That's crazy. He been hitting the streets.
You can't just look at him, man. You say you want one, right?
Herman. There we go, Herman. That's what we talking about right here.
No.
Nah, you gotta get on the driver's side, brother.
You gotta get the driver's side, man. Oh, you can't ride shotgun, man.
Birthday boy. Yes, sir. He gotta start it up now. You gotta start it up now.
Yeah, start it up. Put on the brake and then press the button.
brake, push the button.
Yeah. Alright, so now you got a rev. Now you gotta get a rev. Come on, rev it, man. Put your foot on it. There you go. So look, check this out. So when you rev it, you're gonna go to the floor, back up, to the floor, back up. Alright? Go ahead. There you go. Power. Birthday boy, man. My boy LaKill on. Hooked him up. This man here got all of the. Shut up. Y'all ever seen NITROUS in a C8? Y'all ever seen NITROUS in a C8? It's gonna be a really good thumbnail picture right here for real. My boy got the lights everywhere in here. Drop a comment down below on what y'all think on the NITROUS tanks in the back. Fully custom engine bay. Lights all in the inside. Got lights on the side skirts. Custom Z51 badging. 4 Giottos on the feet. 4 Giottos on the wheel exterior. My boy Smurf did not spare any expense on this. These LEDs are also really bright. You can see these LEDs right now, but I'm assuming at nighttime, this car lights up. Gotta be. Nice, huh?
It's nice.
Look at there. My boy got the switches all on the inside. I don't know what all it does, but he got the switches on there. The only thing I told my boy he needed is that front end lift. If he had that front end lift, he'd be all the way together. But this is a gorgeous car, guys. Beautiful car.
Yeah. Your mom, yeah, she say you quick for baseball.
Yeah, we got that good Uber. We got the good experienced driver. He the Uber man for the day. Taking everybody on rides. Royce, you being safe in these streets, right?
Always.
Come on, man. Hey, look. They said this is their favorite car. So look. He got him one. He say, I gotta go on rides. This is the man that put it all together. The man that makes it happen.
You know, we gotta give back to the community. You know.
Hey, you feel me?
Especially for the little kids.
You feel me?
I remember you a car guy. You know, I would have fainted if somebody did this for me.
Hey,
You know
look,
what I'm saying?
16?
For real.
Come on,
16?
man.
Man, I still be in shock today. For real.
Hey guys, so listen, as you already know, this is just one stop of many. We don't know exactly where the road is going to take us for today, and I don't want this vlog to be super long. So we're gonna probably, like, you know what I'm saying, end up cutting and going somewhere else, doing something, grab some food, fellowshipping per usual. Because as you guys know, when you meet up and you're doing good positive things in the community, you gotta fellowship together. All right, go ahead, pull off, Karen. Yeah, mom is driving the car. You a bold man, brother. You a bold man, because I know I couldn't do it. That brother there, a bold man right there. Hey, you ain't nervous, is you? He said he ain't nervous at all. He good.
Him insured.
He said he got insurance. I know you do.
USA, they take care.
Alright guys, so we're gonna head to 404 Sports Bar, grab some good food, continue supporting black business, continue supporting the community, and then later on, I don't know, might get into some shenanigans in the streets. But let's see what we get into, guys. Alright guys, so the fellowship is over with. As you guys can see, it's still a beautiful day outside, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but the guys are starting to go ahead and disperse, as you can see behind me. Yeah, so with that being said, man, if you haven't already, get this video to 30 likes. This video, if you're looking at it right now and it has not hit 30 likes, hit that like button, smash the like button. Apologize for the wind noise, okay? Apologize for the wind noise in advance. But subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below on the Corvette that you like the most. What y'all think about that NITROUS system on the back of that bad boy? Okay? At the end of the day, man, it's your boy JamesAtkinsTv, and thanks in advance for tapping in. And we out.